garnered for the mayor of the city of Baguio. Bomogao Benny, 25,563. Camo Abdul, 67. Cayetano Rayan, 330. Director Mark Andrew, 2,360. Go Mark, 42,146. Magalong Benji, 53,396.
May I be allowed to continue my manifestation?
Okay, proceed.
With those numbers, I would like to concede already. I hope you will be following them. I came here to congratulate and concede in the election of Mayor Benji Magano for mayor. Thank you very much.
That is well noted, Mr. Candidate. Before we proceed with the formal